When you log into Cashé EVV for the first time, you'll need to enter your email address along with the temporary password that you received from Cashe software via email. You'll then be prompted to update your password. Click Proceed, and you'll be taken back to the login screen where you can enter your new password you just created with your email address in order to log in. This is the home screen. If you have any outstanding timesheets that you need to approve, they will show here. But first, we want to add our PIN number. Our PIN number will allow us to approve timesheets while we are with our employees. So we'll click PIN settings. You can enter in any 4-digit PIN that you like. And then click confirm. If you wanted to change that PIN, you could enter it here. So we'll go back to our home screen, and we can see that we have one timesheet to approve. Let's go approve this now. We can see the time in. Do you want to approve? Click yes. That will always be default to approve, and then sign and approve. And then submit time entry. Now we can see that we have 0 timesheets to approve. This is your care history tab. If you click on this, it will show all of the timesheets from your employees. This is the My Profile tab. At the time of this recording, we're unable to update our photos on the desktop version, but you are able to update them on the EVV app on a mobile phone or tablet by clicking on the photo icon to upload a new image. So we'll show all of your personal information along with all of your budget items and the amount that are left in the budget. This is the inbox section. And you can see when employees have submitted timesheets or have sent you a message. If you'd like to reply to a message or send your employee a message, you can click this icon here, select employee, then select the employee from the list. If you have more than one, they'll all be listed underneath there. Type in the message and click send. And that's all there is with the Cashé EVV app. It is very easy to use. If you have any questions or need any assistance with anything, feel free to reach out to one of our EVV specialists.